Welcome to Growing with Miss Glynn. Hi, my name's Miss Glynn, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a butterfly. If you're here, I am so happy that you found this channel. Please like the video and subscribe below for more. So the first thing you want to do is draw 3 circular shapes for the butterfly's body. A butterfly is an insect, and every insect has 3 body parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Next, we're going to go ahead and draw our wings. So we're going to start from the middle part of the body, the thorax, and we're going to draw a triangular squarish shape. We're going to go off that wing to draw the bottom wing, which will be a bit more round. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side for the other set of wings. Now we're going to draw our guidelines for the wings. So to start, you just want to trace the inside of the wing, and when you get to the outer edge, you want to make a scalloped pattern. And then straight along the bottom edge of the wing. You're going to do that for both of the top wings. For the bottom wings, we're going to do a scalloped pattern along the entire edge. Now it's time to add some details. So we're going to go into the first wing and we're going to draw some shapes. You can look at the shapes that I'm drawing and try to match them, but just know that the shapes do not have to be exact, they do not have to be perfect. Every butterfly is different. After I draw a few shapes like those, I'm going to go ahead and draw some circles towards the top of the wing where there's some extra space, and then some really tiny circles in the outline that we drew beforehand. Go ahead and repeat this for the other top wing. For the bottom wing, we're going to start with a longer shape along the top, and then we're going to fill in the wing with a few more shapes that are similar to that. Go ahead and fill in the spaces with shapes that fill them in perfectly, and add some tiny spots in the outline, just like we did for the top wings. We can go ahead and add some antennae. I like to make mine a bit curly. We can also add some big bug eyes. I like to make mine really big. You can make yours smaller if you want. If you do decide to do these big ones, you're going to want to erase the pencil mark on the inside of the circles. Finish the eyes and add a smile, and we are ready to outline. Take a black marker and outline all of the lines that you have drawn so far. This makes your drawing look crisper and more put together when it's done. When you're done outlining your drawing, you want to go back in with an eraser and erase all of the pencil marks that are left over. We're going to color all of the black parts first. Start by coloring the body. Next, we're going to color the outline that we drew for our wings. Be sure not to color in the little dots that we drew inside of this outline. Then we can grab our orange marker because we are drawing a monarch butterfly today. We can color in all of the bigger shapes that we drew inside of the wings. Some fun facts about monarch butterflies are they smell with their antennae, they cannot bite. Once a monarch butterfly is hatched, it only lives for about 2 to 6 weeks. And their bright colors are kind of like a warning sign to predators, which are animals that might try to eat them. So the bright colors basically say, stay away and do not eat me. Then we can go back in and color in the tiny little circles that we drew. I like to do some of them orange, some of them yellow, and I like to leave a few of them white. Then we'll grab our black marker again. We will color in the head. I like to do this part last because we end up covering the smiley face. And then we will go back into the wings and color the big white spaces that are left. If you want to have some fun at the end, you can draw some clouds and color the sky. And there you have it. That is how you draw a butterfly. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And send me a picture of your picture on Instagram. Details are below. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something, and subscribe to be notified when the next video is available.